In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently remove a contact using the Salesforce platform. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that everything is clear and straightforward. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, you'll find this guide helpful. So, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage various aspects of your Salesforce account. The homepage is your starting point for accessing the tools and features you need to maintain your contacts and other essential information. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Contacts tab. You'll find the tabs usually running across the top of the page in the navigation bar and click on Contacts, and this will direct you to the section where all your contact details are stored. It's here that you can search, manage, and edit contact information. Now that you're in the Contacts section, focus your attention on the search bar prominently located at the top of the contact list. It's crucial to have the correct name at hand, whether it's the first name, last name, or both. Go ahead and type the name of the contact you wish to delete into the search bar. As you type, Salesforce will dynamically narrow down the list to help you quickly find the specific contact. Once you have located the contact you are looking for, notice the arrow down button next to the contact's name. This is a drop-down menu that provides quick access to different actions you can perform. Click on this arrow down button to reveal a list of options. From the expanded menu, one of the choices you'll see is Delete. Click on Delete and a confirmation prompt will appear. This is Salesforce's way of double-checking that you truly want to remove this contact from your list. Confirming the deletion is essential because once deleted, you'll lose all the information associated with that contact. So, if you're sure about this action, you'll need to click Delete again to complete the process. And that's it! You've successfully removed a contact from Salesforce. Remember, this action is irreversible, so ensure you double-check the contact information before deleting it to avoid any potential loss of important data. By following these steps, you'll become more comfortable navigating your Salesforce interface and managing your contacts independently. I hope you found this guide useful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy Salesforce managing.